Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem delete alternate node. So first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically in this question we are given a linked list, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this linked list we need to delete the alternate nodes. That means first 1 is there, then 2 is deleted, so 3, okay. Then after 3, 4 is deleted. So then after 3 we would directly get 5 and after 5 6 is deleted. So basically I need to delete the alternate nodes and print the final output without those alternate nodes that have been deleted. So this is the question. I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's understand how to solve it. So basically guys, what you need to do is in the difficulty section in the practice portal you need to choose basic. Then you need to find the problem delete alternate nodes, okay. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay. So let's solve the question now. Here is the question. Let's read it. Given a singly linked list of size n, delete all alternate nodes of the list. Okay. I hope the question is clear to you and we would be coding it over here. Okay. So let's code it. 1 minute. Enter. First n equal to head. Okay. After this, while n is not none, okay, till it's not none, till we have more nodes, okay, enter. If n dot next is not none, okay, until we are not in the end, is not none, till then what? Till then n dot next, I need to keep on moving one step forward, right? Dot n dot next, right? Because after every node I need to skip one node and go one node forward, right? Enter. After that n equal to n dot next, enter, backspace, else what I can do is I can just return with the value of head. Okay. Now let's click on compile and run to check if it is correct or not. So let's wait. Compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay, so let's wait. Problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem delete alternate nodes. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you.